Hey everyone, my name is Peter and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I Bluetooth connect my Garmin Zumo XT to my Sena communication device and my iPhone. Hope you enjoy the content. Okay, so here we are back at my workbench in my garage, and we're going to connect the Sena 50S communication device that's here on my Climb helmet to the Garmin Zumo XT. And then we're going to also connect my iPhone 15 to the Garmin Zumo XT. Now, in this process, what we're going to do is first we're going to initiate what they call a GPS pairing from the Sena device to the Garmin Zumo. And then after that's connected through GPS pairing, we're then going to do Bluetooth pairing from my iPhone to the Garmin Zumo XT. And then after that is completed, we're going to go into the Garmin Drive app, which is downloaded on my phone. And we're going to connect the Garmin Zumo XT to the Garmin Drive app using a Bluetooth connection called Bluetooth Low Emissions, or BLE. So these are the steps that are involved here, and we'll take a little closer look at all that as well. So just wanted to kind of set up the video with that. Okay, so let's turn on the Sena 50S. We'll follow the instructions.
Battery level is high.
Okay, looks like it's on. So again, we're going to hit the jog dial. As soon as we hear intercom pairing, we're going to press the phone button once. And as soon as we hear the second mobile phone pairing, we're going to press this button again for GPS pairing. Okay, so let's try it.
Intercom pairing. Second mobile phone pairing. GPS pairing.
There we go, GPS pairing. The light is blinking green. Let's go for search for Bluetooth devices. Okay. There we go. Sena 50S. Okay, we're going to select that and hit OK. And there we go. Let's see. Stop voice dial. Okay, stop. We just hit OK there. And you can see here the Sena is connected now. And there it is. Perfect. You can see here, it just connected. Both of the icons are blue. And you can see here the Sena is basically blinking blue, which is kind of in its normal operation mode. So at this point, we just did GPS pairing from the Sena 50S to the Garmin Zumo XT. Okay, next step we're going to do is we're going to pair the phone to the Garmin Zumo XT. Before doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to power off the Sena. So we're going to do that now. You can see here it disconnected from the Garmin Zumo XT, and now we're going to start connecting. Okay, so let's put the helmet and the Sena aside. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into the Bluetooth on my iPhone. Okay, so you can see here, I got my iPhone, and you can see here it's automatically finding my Zumo, so the Zumo XT. So in Zumo XT, I'm going to do search devices. Okay, that's fine. Hit OK there, and then we're going to, in the iPhone, we're going to click on the pairing. Now, perfect. You can see that both keys are the same. I'm going to do pair, and I'm going to do yes. Now, with that said, this is doing the Bluetooth pairing from my phone. So you can see here, allow contacts and favorites to sync. I'm just going to click allow. And perfect. So what we're seeing here is on my iPhone, we can see that the Bluetooth, the Zumo XT is part of that, but also we'll put that down. You can see here that on the Garmin, the device is looking to connect. So let's just give it a minute or two, and that should just kick in. So, and you can see here, it looks like the music connected, and also I think that's the service app connected. So this is what you want to see. On the Garmin, both icons are blue and it says connected as status. Okay. So media and Garmin Drive is the two icons. Okay. So those are both blue. And then also on my phone, you can see here that Bluetooth Zumo XT is connected. So perfect. Okay. Now the next step we're going to do is we're going to go into the Garmin Drive app and connect the Garmin Zumo XT within the app itself. Now the Garmin Drive app is going to use the Bluetooth low emissions frequency connection. Okay, so we'll do that next. Okay, so we got my iPhone. I'm going to go into my motorcycle applications, and you can see here it's the Garmin Drive application, little blue icon. So for the Zumo XT, it's the Garmin Drive application. We're going to click that. And the next thing we're going to do is select your device. So I'm going to click navigation device. And it says tap button below to find your Garmin device. Okay, let's do that. Tap the button below to find your Garmin device. All right. Okay, so what you'll see is that in the Garmin app, I just added the Garmin Zumo XT. And it popped up here. Tap the button below to enable notifications. All right, so let's tap on that. It's funny because there's no button below. Now we're seeing the code come up. So we're pairing the Garmin Drive application at this point. So we're going to put in the code here for the 644369. We're going to pair that. And there we go. Allow the Bluetooth low emissions to receive. So basically, my understanding is within the app, we'll be able to receive weather forecast information from the app. There's a few other type of information that the application will pass, but what you'll see now here in the Garmin is not only do we have my center and my phone through Bluetooth, but we have smartphone services connected. Okay, so putting this down, if I turn on my center, okay, so at this point, everything should start connecting. And what we want to see is all of these icons turn blue, just like that. So this is ideally how all this works and gets put together. Again, trying to back out of this, first we connected the Sena 50S to the Garmin using GPS pairing. Then we connected my iPhone to the Garmin Zumo XT using Bluetooth. And then we went into the Garmin Drive application and we connected the Bluetooth low emissions or BLE connection. And that brings up your smartphone services. So there we go. Looks like everything is connected. And with that said, we're going to test this out some. So let's get going. Okay, so we're going out for our first ride after hooking up the Garmin Zumo XT with all my communication devices and my iPhone. You can see here on the Garmin that all the Bluetooth devices are connected. Again, my phone, the Sena, and then the Garmin Drive app. So everything looks good there. And I'm just going to start riding, and yeah, so we'll see if it stays connected. I'll test the music and all that good stuff, but yep, so far looks good. Okay everyone, so here we are, first ride after connecting the Garmin Zumo XT to my Sena Bluetooth communication device and both my iPhone. You can see here, so far everything looks like it's connected fine. I checked the wireless settings. Matter of fact, I don't know if we can see this on video, but if we go into settings while I'm riding, you can see there all the settings are connected. They're all blue. The icons are blue, so that's good. And let me go back to view. Also, I have music streaming from my phone, so I can hear the music in my headset while I'm speaking now, so I know that the media is working fine. And that looks good. So let's just keep testing this, but I think at this point everything's looking good with the type of Bluetooth connections that we did. So yeah, with that said, I'm going to test this out, more so, but I think we're good. Okay.